doing? Sitting around not doing shit? Come get this work. This is in fitness, baby. We got the family out here.
That work.
Let's get it. There we go.
Out here in Nacy, you know how we do. Let's get it, let's get it. Ain't no games being played out here. Yeah. Get this. Get this work, man. Got the queens out here putting in work. This is how you do. They trying to scare y'all with monkeypox. They trying to. This is how you prevent monkeypox. Get your ass out here.
Work on immune system.
Get some vitamin D. Let your blood circulate through your body.
Stop letting the government control your health.
Yeah. You know them doctors, them Caucasians ain't gonna keep you healthy.
Hell yeah, take control of your life. Start today.
They
Change your life today.
They gonna kill you. But I'm gonna heal you. They gonna kill you, we gonna heal you. Melanated Elevate.
Get in fitness, baby.
Let's get it.
Energy. Woo.
Yeah.
Dog, what was that? How long was that, babe?
That wasn't that long, but it was a nice little mile and some change.
We drenched.
And we still got another mile and some change
Learn
left.
how to breathe. Yeah.
That's
Learning
right.
How to breathe. She killed it. Getting back on her journey.
Man, ain't nobody playing
How you
games.
feel like we're jogging for the first time in a minute?
Yeah.
I ain't jogging. I don't know how long. When's the last time? Do you remember?
Last summer.
Last summer. So she ain't jogged in a year, basically, y'all.
And she just got a mile in
She
and
killed it. She only stopped twice. We
yeah.
only stopped for maybe about a minute, maybe two, if that. But you killed that. I am so proud of you.
Yeah.
We're teaching her the power of controlling your breathing, man. This is ENM Fitness. This is what we do. Nature is everything. This is the best workout.
Yeah.
I burnt 2 pounds yesterday just jogging in the hot sun, man.
Right.
This is where it's at. Come out here.
And y'all see all the trees, man? Like people, I know everybody know that trees take in your carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So like when you running in the woods like this and you got a whole bunch of trees around you, this is what's giving you extra support for your lungs, extra oxygen, extra air. You know, when you get tired and you stop for a second and you breathe, you're breathing in a little bit more air when you're around these trees.
Absolutely. Put your hands up like this. Hold your head like this. That's how you breathe.
It's all about breathing.
Well, we getting this work in, man. This is all we do. Summer is almost over. What are y'all doing, man? We out here. August is the hottest month of the summer. Come get this work.
Get to work.
That's all we do.
Get
Energy
to work.
and motion.
Hey, look, get to work or you gonna get monkeypox and COVID, motherfucker.
Or you gonna be scared.
I know.
Yeah, let's
Dang,
get it. Get
you
that
gonna be walking
work.
around with your face mask, cause that shit coming back.
It's
Absolutely.
coming back.
Absolutely.
Let's get it.
This is how you counteract a virus, is by getting healthy.
Right.
It's all here, baby. Put your hands close up like this.
My booty's in these hoes.
It's okay.
I need a comfortable.
This one you gotta dump. So it's gonna be good.
Get
You
it.
ready? All right, let's get it. We're gonna do 10.
Ah, shit, no!
Come on. Come on, you got this. This is how it works, y'all. That's one.
Get it.
Come on.
Right.
Down a little lower. Touch my hand. Come on. 2, right there.
Yeah, up. Yeah, there we go.
3,
Perfect.
right there.
Yeah.
4, right there. Perfect.
Yeah.
Come on. 6 more. Come on,
Playing
get
that
down.
game. We ain't gonna throw
There we
this shit
go.
on the ground.
There we go. We got so much sweat in our eyes, I can't even see.
No.
Come on, 3 more.
That's what hard work
2
looks
more.
like.
Come on, baby.
Ah.
Make sure you breathing. All right, good job. All right, come on. Let's move. Keep
Work.
it moving. Come on. Come on, Queen. Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go. No break. Straight to the arm work.
Arm work. Same thing with your shoulders.
Yeah.
Come on. 3. Don't be 10. Put the legs back over.
Is that too far? Not far enough?
There we go. Yeah, close together. Come on. As long as you're putting your chin near the bar. Yeah. All right, Sandra, you want to go ahead and scoot your feet back a little bit more.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, get that strength up.
Ah,
Yeah.
not working.
You burning your arm. Yeah.
Come on.
See your triceps. Yeah, you gonna feel it right here.
Keep going.
This,
Six.
yeah.
That's
Yeah,
5.
you feel all that.
Come on. 5 more.
Come on.
You got this. That work. Come on.
Oh, shit, help me get
Come on,
up.
you got it.
All right, that's what's up.
Okay, that's fine. You got 5 there. It's okay. You got to get the
What's
strength in your arms. Come on. I ain't done this. Come here. Come on. Get in the baby. Come on. want you to do. Chin up. Put your hands this way, and I want you to just hang, okay? Spread your arms. You think you higher?
Do the higher one.
Is she taller?
Just hang.
My arms
Come on. Come on.
my arms hurt.
Let me see.
It's good while they hurting.
See?
It's good. It's good.
Please.
Go. Come on, get up there, hang.
This way?
That's perfect. I say that way. Yeah. I think she should turn her arms the other way. There you go. Close your eyes. Nope. Just hang. Just hang there. When I tell you to stop, you're going to stop, okay? When I get to 10 more seconds, that's it. Just hang. Breathe and hang. There you go. This is how you build that strength in your arm, y'all. In your arms. Good work.
There we go.
Yeah, so we just got this work in. Sis got her work. How you feeling, Chandra? She almost made. Come on, look at right here. Let's run out. Come on, sis. You gotta run out. Come on, baby. And this is how we finish strong. This is how you do it. Let's go. Come on.
See the light at the end of the tunnel?
Come on, you got it. Go, you got it, right here.
She been putting in work too. 2 whole miles.
That work.
Oh.
Nice. And see, we were just sitting here talking, man. And these human bodies, when you master the ability to jog, to run, the freedom of being able to run, right? Look at that, that's that work. Look at her. Camera sweaty. Hold on, let me wipe this off. That's hard work right there. That's hard work she put in right there. Yes, I'm proud of you, Chandra. You did that. This is our 3rd session, right? This is the first real session that she's had, though. How you like E&M Fitness? How you liking this? We just want to motivate y'all to get out here, man. Melanated and elevated. This is motivation. This is all we do. We get our community back healthy. We motivating our family members. This is my sister, man. I've known her since I was 13 years old. Yeah, man, I'm so proud of her. She has, how many kids you got? 4, right? Oh, she got 5. She got all them damn kids.
5 kids.
She got 5 kids and she's still looking good. 5 kids. How old are you now, Chandra?
30 something.
30 what?
6, 7.
Okay, so whatever. She don't want to tell her age, but she looking good, man. So we about to have her out here popping with the flat stomach. I'm still trying to get these abs. He's still trying to get these abs, man. So
Get these arms together.
get his arms.
Before and after, right here.
It's all about motivating and inspiring. Each one teach one, all right? Master this body. Master yourself, man. Be like a bird. Be free. When you can run, you passing people up in life when you running, all right? Control your breathing. Don't let it control you. This is what we do, y'all. Y'all have a great week. Hey.
Good.
Yeah,
Yeah, you releasing pressure.
It's mandatory.
No playing.
Down.
Yeah, put on that bench. That's right. Right. I'm gonna let y'all know when y'all get to a minute. add an extra 5 seconds.
Oh, fuck.
We halfway there. We halfway there. Come on. Don't be, come on. 10 seconds, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job. That's that work. Give me 5. Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah.
You said 5.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah, this is more than 5 seconds.
Come on.
You putting in work.
Give me 5 bucks. She did that. Woo!
And this is after
That's
2
that
miles,
work.
y'all.
Yes, she doing
This is after 2 miles. Them legs is burning. She got that, man. Ain't no fucking get. Look at her
This is
face.
what keeps us inspired.
Look
She
at
don't get crying.
Nah, she
Don't let her
playing.
elevate.
She
Come get
playing
this work,
right now.
y'all.
She playing.
This is what we do, man. She's strong. She been through a hell of a lot. This is a strong woman. Y'all know nothing about
Man,
this.
y'all don't even know the half of
I
it.
am so proud of you, sis.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Mountain Lady Elevator. Get out here. Get some work. Who
Yeah.
next? Who next? So my sis is making us a nice healthy smoothie after our bomb ass workout we put in. So what's in here? Cucumbers, honey. What's that sauce right there?
Lemons.
Lemon. This is let me see
Sour
that.
sauce.
Let me see that sour sauce. We eating some nice veggie subs. She got the real life sour sop, y'all. Look at this. This is the good stuff. You can add this to your smoothie. Some lemons. It's about to be bomb. I'm gonna show you how it look. We got our smoothie going. Look at that. Oh, that looks amazing. Taste it. My nephew gonna taste it. How's it taste? Is it good? Let me taste it.
Yeah.